If you want to turn on your Samsung Galaxy A36 without power button, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, grab your phone and locate your volume down and volume up buttons. Then plug your USB-C cable into a laptop or a computer with any kind of operational system. And now we are to hold our volume up and volume down buttons simultaneously. So hold them simultaneously and now plug in your phone and give it some time. You will be put into a download mode. As you see, it looks like this. So now you are to press volume down. Make sure to press volume down in order not to start any kind of unwanted processes. And now simply give your phone a couple seconds to load up. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.